the heck is he doing? He must be finishing up. Hello. Alright guys, so I was driving by Petsmart. It's not abandoned, it's not anything crazy, but I just thought we'd go in and see if there were any friends in here. Puppy friends! Pupster friends! Right in the door we see Pupster friends. Alright, let's see what we find over here. There are all kinds of fish friends in here, guys. Look at this. Holy crap. Look at this, we got a blue one, or is that purple? Assorted peacock cichlids. Hello, cichlid friends. Hello, little cichlid friend. What's this one? Oh, same thing. Ooh. Okay, here we go. Look at these guys. Oh my god. Alright. See what we got over here. These must just be like the regular goldfish for if a kid's like, I want a goldfish, mommy! Ooh, look at these. Bala shark. Pretty cool. What are these, black mollies? They almost look like ants. They must be hungry since they're floating around the top there. Tiny ones. Ooh, look. Striped fishies. Hello, striped friends. They almost look neon, guys. That's pretty cool. Alright, see what we got down here. Here's like some black-tailed fellows. Hello, black-tailed fellows. Oh my god. See, these are all tiny here. Yeah, look at this. It's got to be like feeding time in here, because they're all around the top. Unless they just do that when they see somebody come up here because they think they're getting food. I don't know. Okay, must be... Thought maybe there was some kind of a other animal in here of some kind, but I don't know. Oh wait, we got the little betta fish over here. These are like the fighting fish. Kind of sad to see them in little cups like these. They're not even moving. I mean, are they even alive? Look at this one. He's not floating, but he's like, get out of my face. Aww. There's one. Okay. We got like a dog obedience class going on over there, so let's steer this way. That's a massive pit bull over there. No, I don't know if it's a pit bull or not, but... Oh, birds! Okay, look, we got finches, zebra finch. Look at them hopping. Look at their little beaks, that's so cute. Little orange beaks. Hello, beaked friends. Okay, what do we got here? Just parakeets. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Okay, look, guys. We have like a yellow or green, I don't know, I'm colorblind, and a blue parakeet here. But then if you pan left, I almost did the Adam the Woo. Look at all of them. Parakeet friends. Okay, and then what do we got down here? Oh, these are green and blue parakeets. Oh, same thing, I guess. Hello, parakeets. Like, okay, they look so pretty and fun right now, but if you were in a room with nothing but all these parakeets, you'd be like, get me out of here! Okay. Ooh, look at this. We got little lizards and stuff here. Bearded dragon. Hello, friend. I know, I want you to get out of there too. Here's another one. I almost missed him. I didn't know the... Oh my gosh, there's another one back here. Look at that guy. Holy crap. Alright. Anything in these? I don't see any more on the top. Oh, here's one. Here's two. Hello, Mr. and Mrs. She's like, I'm not talking. Alright, let's see. If there's anything in there, they're hiding. I can't see anything in there. Oh, uh-oh, we got snakes. Is it snakes? I don't think that's a... No, those are long-tailed lizards. Look at these guys. There's that one, and his tail is sort of long. And then the one on the left there, that's sort of long too, but look at this one. Look how long his tail is. That's why I thought it was a snake. What's in there? Ooh, here's a guy hiding. What are you hiding from, friend? What are you hiding from? Come out and play. Okay, look at this, guys. These are all bearded dragons, but look at this guy. There's two more over here. And I don't see any on the bottom there. Okay, we got guinea pigs in here. Oh, here's one that's out. Look at this guy. Hello, friend. I would like to pet you. Look at your pretty colors. There's more in the little house over there, the pink house. But they're hiding. Well, alright, what is this? Oh, it's a gerbil. Oh, there's two of them. Look, he's poking out. He's like, is it really Nate? Nate is here to see us? Don't see anything in these. Nothing up there. There's some hiding in here. Where? Oh, there he is. I almost can't even tell if that is one, but I'm sure it is. It just looks like a little puff ball in there. And then, yeah, you can see these 2, 3, I think there's 3 of them in here going around in a circle. Nibbling at each other's butts. Butt nibblers, official butt nibblers. Here's this guy, what is this called? Long-haired Syrian hamster. He's a cute little guy. Hello, little guy, is it dinner time? There's one clear back in the corner there you can barely see. One back in his bowl there. What the heck is he doing? He must be finishing up. Hello. Oh my god, he peeked at us. And then if there's one in here, he must be inside the log. Oh, here comes this guy again. There he is. Okay, I'll let you eat, sir. That was too funny. He just peeked at us and then took off. So the girl told me there were not any other animals in here. This is just a dog training thing here. There's no dogs in there right now. So, alright guys. Wait, let's go back here and look at the adoption thing. Oh, it's kitties. Look here. Hello, kitty. Alright, I don't know what the rules are, so I'm not gonna touch. That's the only kitty over here. Hello, black and white kitty. Meow. Look, we got some more in here, guys. Look at this white one here. This will be Wally's favorite part of the video right here. We got a sleeping kitty here. Look at this one. Look at his eyes. Hello, kitty, 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 kitty. Hello. A couple of black ones in here. Ooh, a gray striped kitty. Hello, kitty. And here's one more snoozing kitty. I won't bother you. Sweet dreams. Oh, we almost missed this one. Hello. Kitty, 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 kitty. These cats are probably so sick of people saying, kitty, 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 kitty. Poor kitties in cages. I'm actually really surprised that they have this in here. Ooh, this kitty has 2 different colored eyes. Hello, pretty kitty. You do look like a good kitty friend. Okay, my name is Luke, but you can call me your new best friend. That dog scared the crap out of me. They're having like a dog training class in here, so I'm gonna get out of their way. But that was pretty cool that they rescue those cats, you know, from around, I don't know, must be from around the city. Kind of amazing they only have like 8 of them in there or something, if that's the case, but I don't know, pretty cool. Alright guys, let's jam. That was kind of fun. Kind of fun to see all the little animal friends in there. Alright, I'm out of here. I'll see you guys later. Peace.